Welcome to our review of the 5 best 3D printers. Whether you're a hobbyist exploring creative projects, an educator introducing students to cutting-edge technology, or a professional designer bringing intricate ideas to life, a top-notch 3D printer is essential. In this video, we'll introduce 5 outstanding models that excel in precision, reliability, and innovation. These printers cater to a range of needs, offering features like versatile material compatibility, high-speed printing, and intuitive software, making them ideal for everything from crafting prototypes and educational tools to detailed DIY creations. Stay tuned as we delve into their key features, performance, and overall value to help you find the perfect 3D printer to fuel your creativity. Let's dive in. Number 1. Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3D printer. Ender 3 delivers reliability and precision. The Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3D printer is a highly versatile and beginner-friendly device designed for hobbyists and professionals alike. Featuring a fully open-source platform, it allows users to customize and upgrade their printing experience with ease. The resume printing function ensures seamless operations by continuing prints even after power interruptions. With a generous printing size of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, it accommodates a wide range of creative projects. Its DIY assembly design promotes hands-on learning and enables straightforward maintenance. Whether for prototyping, crafting, or educational purposes, the Ender 3 delivers reliability and precision. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer for crafting, prototyping, and creative exploration. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a fast and efficient FDIM 3D printer designed to cater to beginners and experienced users alike. With an impressive maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, it significantly reduces printing time while maintaining excellent precision. Its auto-leveling feature and smart Z offset adjustment ensure optimal print bed calibration for consistent results. The printer offers a spacious 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches by 9.84 inches build area, accommodating a variety of project sizes. The upgraded Kobra Neo design includes an easy assembly process, making it ideal for those new to 3D printing. Its combination of speed, reliability, and user-friendly features make it a standout option for crafting, prototyping, and creative exploration. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer, high-quality 3D printing solutions. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer redefines multicolor printing with its ability to work seamlessly with 4 different filaments, enabling vibrant, detailed, and creative projects. With a blazing fast maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, it significantly enhances efficiency while ensuring smooth and precise output. The included AC Pro-Sealed storage keeps filaments dry and ready for optimal performance, reducing the risk of defects due to moisture. Its spacious 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches build volume allows for versatile applications, from intricate designs to larger models. Ideal for users of all skill levels, its intuitive design and robust features make it a perfect choice for hobbyists, professionals, and educators seeking reliable and high-quality 3D printing solutions. Number 4. Your ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max 3D printer, a seamless and efficient 3D printing experience. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max 3D printer delivers exceptional performance with its 500 mm per second fast printing speed, making it a powerhouse for large-scale projects and intricate designs. Supporting 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature printing, it accommodates a wide range of filaments, including advanced materials, for versatile creativity. Its auto-leveling system ensures precise calibration, while the direct drive extruder enhances filament control and reduces clogging. With an expansive 420 by 420 by 480 mm build volume, the Neptune 4 Max is perfect for large or multiple prints, meeting the needs of hobbyists and professionals alike. Its robust construction and user-friendly features provide a seamless and efficient 3D printing experience. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer, choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer combines advanced features with ease of use for a premium printing experience. Equipped with auto bed leveling, it ensures precise calibration for flawless prints every time. The dual-gear direct extruder offers reliable filament feeding and compatibility with various materials, while the dual-lead screw drive enhances stability and print accuracy. Its removable capacitive touchscreen simplifies operation with an intuitive interface. With a large 8.85 by 8.85 by 11-inch build size, this printer supports diverse projects, from small details to larger designs. The Neptune 3 Pro is an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike.